Let's bake some cassava thick chips. I first tried these in Costa Rica. Peel them and cut them before boiling. Cut them again into chip-sized pieces. We're going to roast them in the oven with some rosemary and some salt, and dip them in some pesto and a homemade tahini mayonnaise. Cassava is a tropical tubular that is super high in protein, high in fiber and low in fats. They come out of the oven super crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. I was always told that it was super good for women to eat this plant in Costa Rica, and now I'm finding out it has high magnesium, vitamin C, iron, so eat it.